surprising how much springiness there is to the arch, but looking at the shape and how it's a big U basically from the tongue up and around and back down to the tires again. You can see it pulling and letting free, pulling and letting free, getting a jolty action. But yeah, there you go. And if you want to go down the hill slow, you can just dial it as you like it. One wheel drive's locked up, driving on the bait. Looks pretty good. Yep, everything seems to be working pretty good. That's all I got for you. Thanks for watching.